wherein our draws are telecasted live on the national channels all across whenever there is. It is telecasted live, and our accounts, our draws are audited by none other than our biggest audit firm of the world, that is Ernst & Young. Yes, we are 13 years old, but we are young. We are growing, and our success and our strength is our trade partners. The distributors here, the retailers here.
Happy New Year. I hope everyone's had a wonderful year so far, and I'm looking forward to 2016. I'd like to firstly wish all the members of the press, all our guests over here who've come, Mr. Sule, Mr. Tangri, thank you so much for all those wonderful words. It feels amazing. I'll be very honest, I've heard about Playwin and I've heard all about this, but I really didn't know how it actually plays out. I really didn't know. I've seen it, I've watched it, I've seen all those numbers and everybody go all, crazy about it, but I didn't know how it actually works. So I'm really glad that I could be here. I've learned something new today. So first I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate each one of our 7 Playwin mega winners over here, our mega jackpot winners. So congratulations. That's fantastic. And well, like Mr. Tangri said, this, dreams come true. You have sitting in your house, you can actually make dreams come true. And it's amazing that the opportunities that you're giving, to all these wonderful people out there actually brings a smile to their face. It gives them a sense of hope. It gives them a sense of wanting to achieve something. And I think that's amazing. I think anybody who can bring a smile to anyone's face is you're blessed. That's all I can say. Because in today's day and age, to bring a smile on someone's face is probably the most difficult thing on God's good earth. But I'm really glad that I can be over here, and it's quite amazing. How can I become a crorepati? I want to know. Give me, how do I add? Forget add. How do we become a crorepati? Tell me that. I need to know the secret. I'm really amazed. I'm like, all with just a 10 rupee ticket, you can actually, and some luck. Of course, lady luck is very important. Kismat is very, very important. So all you're saying is with a 10 rupee ticket and some luck added to it, you can actually become ghar baithe online, right? All these apps are online. You can become a crorepati, you can become a lakpati, and what more do you want? I think that is brilliant. I think it's the most amazing concept ever.
Yeah, I just want to add one thing more. With the highest in the history of India jackpot, we have given 17.65 crores to one lucky winner. Way back in which year? 2006, 7. Right.
Wow, that is amazing. I just want to tell all our amazing 7 winners over there, 10% आपका मेरे लिए. ठीक है? हाँ, बनता है यार. I think that's only fair. But I'm really glad, I'm really honored, jokes apart, that I can be here to witness this amazing, check handover ceremony. I'm really happy that I can be part of today's events and today's proceedings. So without any further delay and further ado, I would like. But before we go any further, I just want to know: can I try my hand? I mean, you're talking about luck.
Please do come
all
out.
Of that.
We will have
Can I try my hand?
Sure, please come.
So we have a Playwin terminal right there. All you need to do is, you need to have 10 rupees and you have to...
Where is 6 personal favorite number? I think allowed? Let's start with...
You throw a picture, you know. Yeah, okay. Number 7.
Like number 7, appreciate. Number 9. Number 23.
Picture, na Vinod.
कितने हो गए? 4 हो गए. Number 31. Number 4. 4. हो गए? 6.
लकड़ी वाला ही है.
You sure? Count कर लो.
10% लगेगा 10% हमारा.
Now what's going to happen? Okay.
Lucky numbers are 4, 5, 7, 9, 23 and 31.
These are my lucky numbers over here.
Keep the safe, right?
The Super Lotto, Playwin Super Lotto, these are my lucky winners, my lucky numbers, and I hope and pray 2016 brings me a lot of luck, right? So I have to hold on to this ticket, right? I will.
लगेगा तो 10% में ना।
That luck. I've never done this before.
You're already a lady luck.
I'm very excited, as you can see. I'm maybe like a child, but I'm really excited.
Thank you so much. And now the felicitation of our crorpatis. I would now like to call Mr. Anil Devlikar, who has won the check amount of rupees 2.64 crores. Congratulations, sir. ये जो ताली होनी चाहिए ना, 2 करोड़ वाली ताली होनी चाहिए.
थोड़ा सर जी थोड़ा
Mr. Tamri and Miss Malaika will
अरे थोड़ा
felicitate the
साइड
winner.
सर जी
Congratulations, Mr. Anil. Yes, I want to know कि किसका चेहरा देखा आपने उस दिन? Who did you? बहुत खुश है. क्या करेंगे मतलब इस चेक के साथ? क्या करें? पैसे का क्या करेंगे आप?
आप आ जाते हैं ना? आप सब invited हो.
नहीं, नहीं. Congratulations and all the very best and enjoy it. And I'm really happy for you. Thank you so much. Congrats. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Anil. I would now like to invite Mr. Somdeo of Shri Sai Center to collect his commission check of rupees 2.64 lakhs. The retailers are a very integral part of the Plavin family. And we felicitate them with 2% of the total amount, that is 2.1% of the total amount. So, Mr. Somdev of Shri Sai Center. Somdev ji, congratulations. $2.64 lakhs has been won by Mr. Somdeo of Shri Sai Center. Next we have our second Plavin Crorepati of the afternoon. Could we have Mr. Girish Patel, and he has won the Plavin Thunderbolt Lotto winner. A total amount of rupees 3 crores 56 lakhs.
चाइना
मोबाइल घर का आदमी है, घर का आदमी है तो सर पे बैठ जाओ, घर का आदमी है तो सर पे आओ.
Congratulations, Girish. And the entire family, very, very proud moment, I'm sure. Girish, सारे पैसे आप क्या करने वाले हैं? फिर बना रहे हैं। तो इससे तो दोस्ती मैं कर रही हूँ।
मैसेज देना है लोगों को, प्लेविन के लिए एक मैसेज देना है। कभी पिताजी ने मुझे एक बार बोला था, जो खेलेगा वही जीतेगा। कोई भी खेल हो लाइफ का, यू विन इफ यू प्ले एंड प्ले विद पेशेंस। ये बोलूंगा।
कब से खेल रहे हैं?
मैं कंसेक्यूटिव 3 साल से खेल रहा हूँ।
वेरी गुड, कांग्रेचुलेशंस वंस अगेन। आप बताएं, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
मुझे बहुत ही बढ़िया लग रहा है। आज ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत ही खुश हूँ, बहुत बहुत गॉड ब्लेस यू। ऐसा लग रहा है कि आज मुझे भगवान ने बहुत ही मेहरबानी कर दी। थैंक यू।
बहुत पैसा मिल गया तो 3 करोड़
आप कुछ कहानी बता रहे थे सबको। रात को क्या सोच रहे थे?
हाँ, नंबर देखे आई वाज स्टन्ड। मतलब मैं स्टन्ड था। मैं नंबर देख के ना पहले तो बीवी को उठाया और वो सोई भी 11 बजे
ऑडियो ऑडियो
11 साढ़े 11 हो गए थे। मैं उठाया, रात को तो भी आप ही सोए हो। रात को होगी आप ही सोए हो। मैं उठ के बताया
आपने डांस किया, आपने क्या किया?
खुशी के मारे मुझे बोलना था। अब शी वाज क्लोज, मतलब नजदीक में वो थी, तो मैं बोला बताऊं उसको, तो शी वाज स्लीपिंग। उसको उठा के नहीं बताया मैंने।
रात को आप शिवरिंग, लेकिन इस वक्त आपको मतलब वो शिवरिंग चला गया ना? अभी ये बात है, अभी इस वक्त सबके लिए आप 2 स्टेप कीजिए। खुशी के स्टेप्स आप कीजिए सबके लिए। आपको प्रोडक्शन का करना, हाँ हम आपके साथ करेंगे।
वेरी गुड, 3, 2, 1, yes. God bless you. God bless you. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Congratulations, Mr. Girish Patel and family. I would now like to invite Mr. Ajay of Siddhi Vinayak Online to collect his commission check of rupees 2.7 lakhs. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. And now our third Playvin Crorepati. For the Playvin Saturday Super Lotto, the winner is Mr. Vishwagor. And on behalf of Mr. Vishwagor, we have Mr. Ketan, who would be collecting the check. Mr. Ketan? Congratulations, sir. And I would now like to invite Mr. Anil of Ambika Online to collect a commission check of rupees 2.2 lakhs. Congratulations. Mubarak ho aapko. gazometer. Miss Asha Thakkar, who has won 5 lakhs. And Asha Thakkar, who has won 5 lakhs. On behalf of Asha Thakkar, we have Vinay, who would be collecting the check. And now I would request Vimal Saya to please come on the stage to collect his check of 5 lakhs. Congratulations! आपको खुशी होनी चाहिए, थोड़ी जलन हो रही है आपको, थोड़ा ताली बजाओ. Our next winner, Prerna Vinod Lula, who has won 2,50,000. Could we have on stage Mahesh ji to take the check? Okay, and now request all the crorepathies to come on stage. Crorepathies, सारे crorepathies, crorepathies. आ जाइए. साथ में. करोड़पति आ जाइए.
सबको आ रही है यार एक ही साथ
लखपति भी आ जाइए. आ जाओ.
आ जाओ यार जल्दी पाए
So all the crorepathies and the lakhpatis, please come. Yes, smile. Come on. Okay, अभी आपको प्लेविन का टैगलाइन बोलना है. क्या है? खेलो इंडिया बोल. वही जोश में बोलना है, साथ में बोलना है, कैमरा के सामने. ओके, अभी ऑल सेट, रेडी है हम? खेलो इंडिया खेलो. 3, 2, 1. फिर से together with more energy. 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you. We will now have the cake cutting, and before the cake cutting, I would like to have a word. And if you just say whatever comes in your mind, okay? So the first word is lucky. V. I agree. All right, Plavin. Mr. Tangri. Lottery. Mr. Tangri. All right, and Malaika. Sweet and naughty and fun and lucky. Malaika, there are a lot of people who still don't believe in luck और उनको लगता है कि ये सब फिजूल है. आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं उनको?
I think luck is a very important factor in anybody's life. Hard work is what takes you where you are. But
Thank you so much. Can we have a round of applause for the Lady Luck, Malaika Arora Khan here? And we have the cake. Mr. Tangri, Mr. Sule, Malaika.
ओ भाई
भाई अभी
All the winners, crorepati's, lakpatis, I want you to stand. Come ahead.
तो यार बीच से हटो यार
All the winners. My heartiest congratulations to all the winners and thank you so much for being here.
Mr. Tangri. Lottery. Mr. Tangri. All right, and Malaika. Sweet and naughty and fun and lucky. And lucky. Malaika, there are a lot of people who still don't believe in luck और उनको लगता है कि ये सब फिजूल है. आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं उनको? I think luck is a very important factor in anybody's life. Hard work is what takes you where you are. But I think सबके ज़िंदगी में वो थोड़ा बहुत luck और जैसे कहते हैं destiny, whatever is in your destiny is inevitable. But I think luck plays a huge part in your life. But of course, you shouldn't rely completely on it. Hard work is very essential. It's a combination of both that actually propels you to wherever you want in life. Thank you so much. Can we have a round of applause?